Yeah, Lolea, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so this is the arbitrage bot that is making trading very easy. And this bot is for people who don't have time to trade, who don't know nothing about arbitrage and stuff. Yeah, but if you have knowledge about arbitrage, that one I will recommend the bot that will give you signals so that you can trade as many as you want. But if you don't have any knowledge about arbitrage, or you have knowledge about arbitrage but you are very busy type and you want the bot to work for you, then I recommend this AI bot for you that will trade for you. Yeah, so I think people have been asking me how many times I've been using this thing. Even this one is my demonstration account, and this is not my real account. I have my real account that I trade. This one I just show it to you, and yeah. So I've traded 8 to 9 times over here, 8 to 9 times. But on my real account, I've traded more than 140 times. Yeah. So when you deposit in your crypto arbitrage boats, the money will be in your regular wallet, and when you want towards trade, the money have to transfer from here towards to here. Yeah. So when you come to your arbitrage here, before you trade, like I will show you a way of what doing everything. Yeah, a way of getting the mega boost and stuff. I will show you everything. I will show you everything. Yeah. So if you get everything and you have, let's say, you want to trade with $70, $70, you'll be getting 1.4 USDT. So twice trade is what, 2.8 USDT. Yeah. So if you're trading with 100, you're getting $2. So the twice trade is what, $4. So I'll show you how to get your mega boost to trade. Yeah, I'll show you everything. Yeah. So after trading everything, your money will be in your regular wallet like this, regular USDT like this. Yeah, so that means you can withdraw it. So today I want to withdraw for you to see. Yeah. So I have 21.5 as was profit in my demonstration account, and I want to withdraw. So I'll come to my withdraw here, withdraw here, and I'll choose BSC, and I'll choose all. They will deduct you one, and at times too you can't withdraw the decimal. But let me try and see if I can I can withdraw everything. And you paste your wallet address. Every time I say you can't withdraw the decimal. Yeah, that's how the time they do. So let me submit. So here, then I will enter my found password. And I'll go to my authenticator to copy my 2FA for my arbitrage. Yeah, come and paste over here, be fast. So you can see that I've withdraw it, and this one is my demonstration account. Yeah, I've withdraw it and withdraw request created. Yeah, so it was currently pending, and I withdrew 21 USDT. So the bot will deduct 1 USDT, and I'll get my 20 USDT. So let's wait and see if I will receive the money in my Bybit wallet for you all to see. Yeah. So this bot is for people who don't have time to trade. That's what you need. This bot. Yeah. And you can see that this is the withdrawal I've done on this $10 account. On this $10 account. This $10 account is that thing. Yeah. But imagine if you have more fun, like let's say $10,000, $100, $1,000, and I will show you a way of how to set up your boats and be making more money for yourself. Yeah, this one, the boats will trade everything for you, and you just what, relax. If I come, like in the morning, I did a video, so I've consumed my trading. Yeah, so if you come here, you will see this one will turn blue, and you click on start arbitrage, and it will start trading and everything for you. To start trading everything for you. Yeah, so After every trade, you will get your money in your regular USDT, and you can withdraw at any time you want. And the withdrawal takes like 5 to 10 minutes for it to reflect in your account. 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, because we are using BEP20 address. Yeah, if it was TRC20 address, it would be faster. Yeah, so this is the boat that I recommend for you, and it's $60. The reason why I'm charging $60 is that, like, let me tell you, the reason why I'm charging $60 is that I will show you how to use the boat, and I will personally call you on a video call to show you everything and things you need to know about the boats in order to make more money. That's why I'm charging $60, because when you call me, it's not for free, and I'm calling you video call like 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I'll be guiding you. That's it. Yeah. So that's the reason why I'm charging $60, and I'll also set up for you. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm charging that $60. Yeah. So let's wait and see if I will receive it or not. Let's wait. Yeah, so after waiting for close to 10 minutes, yeah, you can see that, yeah, withdrawal has done. Yeah, so let me go to my Bybit wallet. Funding. Let me check whether it's true. So deposit here. You can see that the $20 is what? If in $20 is in. So I just withdraw $50 right now. 6, and I withdraw 20 now. Yeah, so making it 70 from the boat. So this from the boats, yeah. So I'll go to my P2P here, yeah, and I'll go to sell. So I'll be selling this money, yeah, through mobile money, right? So this person takes 30 minutes. Okay, no problem. So when I'm selling the 70 USDT, I'll be receiving 814.8 Ghana cedis. So I'll initiate the sell. So you can see that I'm selling. So I'll just tell the waiting. I just tell the buyer that I'm waiting. Yeah. So within some short minutes, I'll receive the 814 in my Momo wallet. Have you seen it?